We've installed an infrared sauna at Koselig Hus, and we're super excited to show you how it is. We're keeping it in the spa house, as we call it, and let me show you how to use the door. You will come in, wake up the keypad, put in your code, press the open lock button, and you need to push the door a little bit to free the deadbolt. Inside, there's a light switch. We have some hooks for you to put your towels, and this is a Maxxus Bellevue 3-person sauna. Super easy, super self-explanatory to use. Come with me. This is the control pad. This side is for temperature, this side's a timer. Power button, that will be the temperature, and you just simply make it hotter or lower. And when you're done, you turn it off. This is chromotherapy. These lights will change, or you can just turn them off.